In this exercise, we have to find the steady state values of capital per worker, output per worker, and consumption per worker. So the capital stock per worker in steady state we found in the previous exercise to be the savings rate over the depreciation rate to the power of 2. So we know what the savings rate is and we know what the depreciation rate is. So I write 15% over 7.5% to the power of 2. And we get 4. So the capital stock per worker in steady state must be equal to 4. In order to get output per worker in steady state, we plug in the capital stock per worker in steady state and raise it to the power of a half. And we just found that the capital stock per worker in steady state is equal to 4. So we just plug in 4 and raise it to the power of a half. So the output per worker in steady state must be equal to 2. Lastly, consumption per worker in steady state. What is consumption equal to? Well, consumption per worker in steady state must be equal to output per worker in steady state minus your savings. So everything that you choose not to save, you of course choose to consume. So this we can rewrite. I know that the output per worker is equal to 2. I know that the savings rate is equal to 15%. And I multiply by the output per worker. And I get that consumption per worker in steady state is equal to 1.7.